Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in the newspaper of Saturday, April the 30th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Two puzzles are left, Tectonic with the 4 stars, and the binary. But first, we will solve this binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Before I start, this will be number 4484. Yeah, 4484. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. 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 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Then, between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. Interesting. Now we need to compare, I think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have a double O here. Yeah. This column and that column. 1, 1, empty box. Empty box 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in today's newspaper. The rest of the puzzles I will do tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.